was also updated to support creating an associative solid with editable parameters based on the gear 2D profile. Select the Tools Mechanical option to display the palette. It's the last option on the right, the gear. Select the center for the gear, and you'll have a Spur Gear Options dialog box that lets you preview and set a variety of the gear parameters, including the number of teeth, the module, the pressure angle, clearance, envelope samples, and the hole radius. Additionally, there's a checkbox that lets you extrude the 2D profile into a solid. Click OK to create the gear. Once you have your gear created, you can select on the feature and have the data entry window display parameters associated with the solid. In this case, we're going to change the extrusion distance from 1 to 2.